The sky is a canvas, washed in shades of gray, just like the mood that settled on me today. The window is streaming, a blurry silver sheet, and every drop falling taps out a quiet defeat. It smells like clean earth and hours left unfilled, in this lonely room where the silence is chill. And oh, the rain is just looking for you, trying to fill up the space that you fell through. It whispers your name on the roof and the glass, a constant reminder of moments that passed. I'm caught in this downpour, this ache I can't place, 'cause the only sunshine is the light of your face. And the sound of the rain is the sound of your absence. I trace the droplets that run down the pane, each one a memory I can't quite regain. I think of the times we'd sit here close and warm, and watch the world hide from the incoming storm. Now I'm counting the thunder, the slow rolling beat, wishing your heartbeat was next to repeat. And oh, the rain is just looking for you, trying to fill up the space that you fell through. It whispers your name on the roof and the glass, a constant reminder of moments that passed. I'm caught in this downpour, this ache I can't place, 'cause the only sunshine is the light of your face. And the sound of the rain is the sound of your absence. They say that the storms always eventually break, but how much longer must this tired heart take to weather this season, this cold, empty hour, just waiting to bloom beneath your kind power? The sound of the it's just missing you too. Please come back.